explanation. Similarly, like when we start with our campaigns, also we divide in like what are the warm keywords and what are the hot keywords, what are the converted
Yeah.
keywords. Then we only try to push like some, so at the starting we get those keywords from brand analytics, the search terms that are already converting. Those are generally
Yeah.
short tail, very very short tail keywords that
Mhm.
will generally give high cost per click and all. So we try to break those in the placements, like as you have mentioned, you try to put one keyword in one ad group. We also
Yeah.
try to do the same, but we also do it like in each campaign we do not put more than one ad group and more than one keyword. And again, that particular keyword is broken down into more four parts, like
Right.
exact top of the search, then again phrase top of the search. We don't test with broad in the starting.
Yeah.
uh, that is what we are doing and getting good results. But in sometimes what happens is with placements, only optimized placements, and if there are keywords also which are not optimized by placement, that also becomes a little bit tricky in terms of managing, in terms of optimization, right?
Yeah.
So I really like the way you actually describe on the